Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lucky English. So guys, in today's video I am come up with another English practice. So in this video I am going to talk on a topic like coding, programming, computer coding, and I'm going to talk on it this topic. And so let me start. So guys, when we if we want to pursue in a computer science career, then we have to do coding like in any other in different languages like C++, Java, Python, and Ruby, etc., PHP. And first of all, our first language which teacher teaches in us in our college or in our 12th 11th standard, it is like C language. And in this while learning C language, we understand the basic concepts of programming. And after that we can move on further languages like C++, Java, and Python, like this, guys. And if uh, if you are a beginner in programming languages, then you should learn C language first of all. After that you should switch off to C++, or you can do Java or Python. And despite of that, there are different like web designing, which includes HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, and it is basically for front end. And I'm just speaking on it to practice English, because I haven't practiced English for last few days, so that's why I'm saying it. And I must say, like, if uh, you should practice, you should do programming questions, you should do practice, or you should do daily practice to learn coding in a good manner. And this is my thought on programming. And you should also like choose any topic in English, and like you can speak on mobile phone, you can speak on telephone, you can speak on school, you can speak on cars, you can speak on aeroplane, whatever you want, you can speak on a particular topic. And by doing this you can improve your English language communication. And you, with the help of this, you can be confident in English language. And by I think you should learn with the help of this. Whenever you get stuck in English on a particular word, then you will try to search that word meaning in on Google. And that's how you can improve your English conversation. And I think everyone should do practicing in English, like uh, speaking in front of mirror, speaking in front of mobile itself is a mirror. So that's why I'm doing practice in mobile. And you can do it in front of mirror, or you can also do it in front of mobile. And you can also upload your videos on YouTube. It helps a lot for you. And I think uh, this is how you can improve your English conversation. So that's all about this video. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye, take care.